Hi, I'm Lily, and today we have Trisha here that's going to demonstrate nose taping post rhinoplasty.
Hi there. So I do have some 1/2-inch Blenderm tape or medical tape. We also have some steri strips in the office that we'll use to demonstrate the process to you at your 1-week post-operative visit. If you are going to be purchasing the tape over the counter or online, definitely get the 1/2-inch width, because that is what we like to see in terms of how it's going to sit on the nose and what's going to give the best result. So I do recommend typically using 2 pieces of tape. It's going to sit on the bridge of your nose, and it's going to start right where your splint ended before. So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate on Lily here today. The first piece of tape I'm going to go ahead and put on very gently. Shouldn't hurt going on, shouldn't hurt coming off. And it's going to sit right across her nose, beginning at where the super tip break would be. I typically hold it for a second just to ensure that it sticks or stays. And then the next piece of tape is going to go right above it in a stacked fashion, so not on top of it. And then holding it again for just a moment to get it to stick or stay in place. We're going to have you start using this the night that you come in for your 1-week post-operative visit. You're going to wear it through the night and then remove it in the morning the next day when you wake up. We'll have you continue doing that until, again, we see you back at 4 to 6 weeks. And then depending on how things are healing and progressing, we could counsel further based on that.
So thanks for listening. If you have any other questions, please check us out on our website, www.dereksteinbacher.com. Thanks again.